'99 Suburban in. We're gonna see if this lock actuator is the right one for this year. I just went on the old interweb there and spun the wheel. If you lock this, you can see it doesn't barely even move. Whereas the one over there, you hit unlock, it moves a little more. So we're gonna pull this panel off and see what we got. Well, there's the lock actuator. Which doesn't seem like she moves much at all. Not at all. Well, I'm guessing these two rivets. Let's see what we can see. If we can see anything in there. No. The only other thing I can think of is that this is wound up. It seems like it doesn't seem like it's too tight. I did hear some rattling in this door, and it turns out this rod right here wasn't in this clip. That could have been all that was making all that noise. I think this wiring right here is the one that goes to that. Well, I'm gonna drill this out right here. I'm gonna see if we can get it out without pulling the whole panel off. And we'll just go from there. And then the kit, this is not an AC Delco kit. Don't ask me why I decided not to go AC Delco on this, but I think it was because I got 2 of these for the price of 1, or maybe I could have got 4 of these for the price of 1 AC Delco. So, well, we'll see if that was worth it. I usually never buy anything that's not but factory, but yeah, this will be fun because I got no rivets. I don't have a rivet gun, but I have rivets now, so I have to try to figure that out. All right, well, I drilled the rivets out. I got her out. Now we're gonna just, press the lock, unlock, and see what she does when she's not hooked up. Unlock. Lock. Hey, she worked. Unlock. Yeah, there might just be this rod. There might be some other problems with this linkage. But since we got the new one, we might as well change her and then go from there. Alright, so here's the new actuator. And what a guy did was just stick these 2 bolts in here. And then I stuck the bracket on. Unfortunately, you can see here I snapped off one of the bolts trying to take this apart. So if you end up having one of these aftermarket actuators like this, you take off the nut on this side first, because for whatever reason that one's still tight even though it's snapped off. And what I think I'll do is just drill these holes out so they're big enough. This thing should just sit like right here inside the door. Now hopefully this bolt, that's just gonna stay on there like that. It doesn't space out far enough to hit that glass back there. Yeah, we'll see. I'm sure there's a good reason why they used rivet, but we're gonna see if we can do it this way. Well, I think we have success here. Here's the old one. Kind of had like a weather boot on it. It's kind of worn out. It's looks like it's put in its time. Made in Mexico. $27.99. So This is a 99 Suburban. I would assume this was made in 99. This is the original one. And I think Mexico's given all she can. So now, we got the lock there. We got her taped up, and you know, we got you want to put that weather seal back on. I just put a little duct tape on there, a little black duct tape, seal it out, and it'll cut down on that road noise. Especially with all the rust holes I got on this thing, that'll make a difference. So yeah, unlock, lock. Yep, she's still tight. I don't know. Definitely may have to look at maybe redoing the linkage there or something. This seems tight. I'm not sure why. I did find use. I had these LED lights. Took the bulb out. If you got one of those, and I put in one of these. I had purchased those for the trailer, but they just didn't fit. So I think I found a good use for them. I think I might switch them all out and give it that, you know, 2020 look. There's the other one. I put another one in. You can see over there on that side how that's the old style, you know, incandescent bulb. Well, maybe go LED on these. I got plenty of these things. And I think I'm probably going to taking this back apart here and seeing if I can't bend the rod. Maybe that'll help. I'm not sure. Well, I picked up a new bezel for the 99, and I thought what I'd do is see if that one fits as good as this factory one. What is it? If you can see that sticker, it's a little bright. 99, and this is an original part. I'll just put this one on here. She almost matches and everything. Alright, so there we go.
Get to the chopper!
Well, I think I got her figured out now. Yeah, look at that. Now, I ended up using some of that Marvel Mystery Oil and bent the rod so that the rod went underneath the actuator. Man, these LED lights are looking nice. Maybe they'll even use a little less power. So we got two of them there. I just got to change out that one over there. I don't know if there's any in the back. There might be. I think that's a different bulb up on top. These top ones are different, but the bottom ones I can change. So that should be fun. Got a bunch of them here. Got them on Amazon. Pretty cheap. Thanks for watching my video. Check out some of my other videos. Like and subscribe.